So I'm going to be using the Morphe35O Nature Glow palette today. And I'm going to get started with the color Unreal. I'm going to be using this Morphe brush right here. I'm just going to be packing this right here. So packing Unreal all over the eyelid. And then I'm just going to be blending the edges now. Just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the color Wannabe, which is a lighter brown. So this one is Wannabe. And I'm going to be using this No Name brush right here. And I'm just going to be placing it right here, right on top. And like on top and in between, and just blending everything. And just keep adding that Wannabe color. And then start bringing it out. Okay guys, so I decided to dye my hair black. I haven't dyed my hair black in a couple of years already. It's literally been almost 7 years that I don't dye my hair black. This is the color that I would always have in high school. Like, black hair was my thing. I love black. I mean, I still love black hair, but I do consider myself like a bold type of person, so I do like to try out different colors on my hair. I'm always dyeing my hair different colors. Just because I do tend to get bored of the same color. For some weird reason, that's how I am. I literally get bored of a color and then I want to dye it a different color. I have dyed my hair a couple of different colors. I've dyed it like pastel pink. I've dyed it that like bright pink, and then like that turquoise, like a turquoise blue. And that turquoise blue, actually when it fades and turns like greenish, so I would just add a little bit so it'll kind of make it a little more green. What else? What other color? I've done it burgundy, I've done it brown, I've done it that bright red. I've done velage on my hair. I've done highlights. So yeah, I've done a lot of things to my hair. I've gone completely blonde before, which I haven't done, and I actually wanted to go completely blonde, but I have been wanting to go black, and I think black is the color that I just haven't gone back to, just because it's kind of hard to go from black to a light color. So yeah, like I really wanted to, like I have like been trying like all these colors. So I was like, you know what, I think it's time to go back to black. So I am happy to have black hair again. Like I said, it's been a while. Okay, so I'm going to be using the color up front, which is this one right here. Okay, so like I was saying, another thing is that the black that I used to use like back then in high school would be like that blue black. I don't know what color it is, but maybe those of you that have tried that color, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like this black, like a shiny black, but with like a tint of blue. It's very, very pretty, but I've never done jet black, so jet black is the dye that I have on right now. I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna be blending that cream color there, and then going back with this brush, and I have Unreal here, and I'm just gonna be blending the eyeshadows again, and I'm not adding anything to it, just like that, whatever I have on my brush. Just gonna blend that in, and then I'm gonna go back with the Morphe brush. So back to what I was saying about hair dyes. I do like to dye my hair a lot. So if any of you guys like to dye your hair, you guys have dyed your hair like a different type of color, You know, let me know if you are bold like me. I like to try a lot of different things on my hair, and yeah, I love it. I love the outcome of having like a different look on my hair. So I'm gonna be going with CoverGirl. I love this concealer. You guys see it in practically all my videos, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it. The color that I use is Buff. The liner that I like to use is the Wet n Wild one. You guys know I like this liner. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some lashes, and I am using the AOA lashes in Vanessa. I'm in love with these lashes. I'm so happy that when I ordered them, I think I grabbed like 5 or 4 pairs of these. These lashes are so freaking good, man. Okay, so I'm going to be going with this Moda Pro brush, and it's a detailed one. So back with the color Wannabe, which is the light brown that we use. Using the LA Girl liner brush, which is my favorite. It works really good and it's very inexpensive. So I'm going to be going with this brush right here. I am in love with this foundation. I highly recommend it, guys. Very inexpensive and it works really good. Lately I've been using this one. I have been grabbing my Urban Decay, even though I love my Urban Decay. So I do have moisturizer on and everything that I do before I apply makeup. I'm gonna be doing a video just so I can show you guys what I do to get my skin prepared, and then, you know, meanwhile doing the eyeshadow. That way I just go ahead and put primer, pore filler, and then, you know, start doing the foundation. I already have primer and pore filler before I started to do my eyes today, so I'm gonna go straight with foundation. And so this is how the look turned out, guys. This is a smoky eye look, well, the brown smoky eye look. I love smoky eyes. I feel like in general everybody does love a smoky eye. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys on my next video.